I'm Jonah Comstock, Editor-in-Chief of Pharma Forum. I'm joined here by Dr. Tadaaki Taniguchi, the Chief Medical Officer at Astellas Pharma. Thanks so much for joining me today.
Thank you. Thank you for inviting me.
So we're at LSX in Boston. That's Life Sciences Executive Congress. And tell me a little bit about what you're here to do today. You had a keynote earlier today.
Yeah, I had a keynote this morning. And this is a fascinating meeting that we can meet a lot of our, the partners as we're discussing about what we can work together moving forward. This is fascinating. A lot of energy here. I'm very excited to be here.
You guys also have some news just right now being announced at another conference, right?
Yeah, we're actually I'm going to travel to ESMO tomorrow because we're going to actually disclose the new data from, of course, our strategic product in the late stage as well as the early stage product, including our KRAS-targeted TPD, as well as DGK, which is one of the important IO the portfolio within Astellas.
And TPD, that's targeted protein degradation.
Yes, targeted protein degradation.
You talked about that a little bit on stage. Tell me a little bit about that and kind of why that's an area that Astellas is interested in, and where do you think it's going?
Yeah. You may know that KRAS mutated, the cancer is so prevalent, particularly looking at prostate cancer, pancreatic cancer, lung cancer, and colorectal cancer. But the issue is that KRAS mutated cancer, it's actually targeted, not druggable. Not druggable means very difficult to develop any medicine to actually target KRAS, pathway. But I think we actually have a technology called, targeted protein degradation, which is, designed to actually going to target the area that we cannot easily create a drug, the drug to really targeting the important pathway for the cancer. So our product called the 3082, which is actually first in class KRAS G12D mutated the cancer. And we actually disclosed this first in human trial coming ESMO in Barcelona.
You also just opened a new office here in Boston, right?
Yes. So we just had a grand opening ceremony last week. It was great, the grand opening ceremony, and we have now quite large, presence in Cambridge, Massachusetts. Approximately 400 people actually working there, and we have a lab space and also office space. So this is a beauty that we can actually work as a single team, both research, development, business development, as well as the commercial to get together. So this is a extremely excited time that we can actually continue to actually contribute our progress for the science, and particularly looking at our ecosystem in Boston is hugely important for strategic direction that we can make more partnership and pushing our boundary of the science and bring important medicine to the patient.
What made you decide now was the time to have a significant presence in the Boston area?
Yeah, obviously, we already invested in Massachusetts significantly last 10 years. Particularly looking at we acquired Ocata, which is focusing on the cell therapy, and now the institution called the Astellas Institution for Regenerative Medicine, which is located in Westboro, about 1 hour from center of the city in Boston. This is a significant investment we made. We also acquired a company called the Mitobridge back in 2017, and we actually have a very strong now chemical engineering that we can actually produce engineered small molecules. This is the kind of state of including targeted protein degradation. We also actually try to combine many different technologies together to get the product really specifically targeting a very important the disease area, such as pancreatic cancer, lung cancer, and even talking about breast cancer.
What are some of the things more broadly you're excited about right now at Astellas, looking ahead in the rest of this year, next year, that kind of thing?
Yeah, we're actually targeting 4 new products coming to POC, proof of concept, in the next 12 months or 18 months, I must say. So this is a very exciting because we heavily invested in cell therapy as well as gene therapy. We also have a very significant the pipeline moving forward in oncology, and we talked about TPD. So four key products come to a time that we can make a decision that further investment to the late stage, really applying to the disease that underinvested or underserved disease, including rare disease, and also of course cancer, as well as ophthalmology area.
Great. Thank you so much for chatting with me today and making time at this event.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Great to see you. Thank you.